Hey guys, today we are making this luscious strawberry ice cream. It is sweet, creamy, and the perfect recipe for summer. You can make this recipe with fresh or frozen strawberries, so don't worry if it isn't berry season where you live. This recipe is gluten-free, nut-free, eggless, and can easily be vegan with a few tweaks. So come on, let's make it. We're going to start off by taking our strawberries, granulated sugar, and kosher salt and just mixing them together. We're going to set it over medium-high heat and we are going to cook until it starts to boil. Once boiling, we're going to lower the heat and simmer for about 5 minutes and set aside to cool. Once cool, add in our milk, mix to combine, and then we're going to take either an immersion blender or you can use a regular blender and fully blend it. Then we're going to mix in our heavy cream, and now we're going to strain through a mesh colander or a sieve. Next, we're going to add in our vanilla and stir to combine. And then we're going to cover with plastic wrap and we are going to put in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours. After that time, we're going to pour it into an ice cream maker. Follow your manufacturer's instructions. Mine takes about 15 to 20 minutes until it is nice and thickened. Once thickened, fill it into a loaf pan or an ice cream container and smooth the top. You can eat it straight from the machine, but it has more like a soft serve consistency, which is fine if that's what you want. After you smooth the top, we're going to wrap it with aluminum foil, and then we're going to freeze for about 2 hours until it is nice and hard. And it is that simple. I hope you guys love this delicious strawberry ice cream as much as we do. Enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. You can find the complete recipe with step-by-step photos on the blog Lean and Gray Fare, which I have linked below. And for more decadent, gluten-free, nut-free, and egg-free recipes, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more recipe videos just like this one, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a single recipe. Thanks so much.